Yeah. Dark skies over sacred ground, dust storms rising, silence profound, echoes of cries, hearts torn apart. Gaza bleeds, yet where's the heart? The voice of Gaza calling the world. In every prayer, let it be heard. Hope still burns through endless night, a flicker of love in a fading light. Ooh. A child seeks meaning amidst despair. Among the ruins, pain they bear. Bound to the land with endless fight, their spirit lives in the darkest night. The voice of Gaza calling the world. In every prayer, let it be heard. Hope still burns through endless night, flicker of love in a fading light. Ooh. The voice of Gaza, from ashes and sorrow, we stand with you through every tomorrow. Your courage of flame, steadfast and true. This battle of hope, we'll see it through. The skies of Gaza will clear someday. Peace will bloom in a bright new way. The voice of Gaza, a song of the free, a promise